Another one don't happen, my wonderful people. They say that the Russian army, where Simon Ekpa tweeted that is part of the Biafra Liberation Army. They say the guy don't come outside though. Conte Simon Ekpa say he no be part Simon Ekpa Biafra Liberation Army. Say he have to sink in consent before he go post am or talk anything about am. My people, let me play you the video, may you watch. Remember, say you see there for news info.
Igbo bụ Igbo mma mmanụ. Afọ mbụ Okwoma Samuel Ikechukwu. Nation from Uzi, Midata North Local Government, Imo Province, Biafran land. I'm a proud Biafran based here in Russia, currently serving in Russian army. As you can see, I'm making this video from the front. So this video is for Simon Ekpa. Lately, friends draw my attention on my viral award video and some of photos you are using on your platform. And to me, it is not welcomed. I think the first thing you should have done is to, first of all, seek my consent. I don't belong to any autopilot. You understand? I have a Russian family, and there is a need to defend the Russian Federation against terrorists in NATO. And I volunteered. You all know that we Biafrans, we are the most bravest people in the world. Have you known Biafrans in American Army currently serving? Have you known Biafrans in the British Army? Why don't you use their photos? Why must it be me? So bro, it is totally unacceptable to me. So today, which is 12th of May, I mandate you, bro, take down every of my posts, every of my picture and videos on your post. Because personally, I don't believe in what you believe. I don't even know who you are. I don't even follow any of your page. Any of your page, I don't follow. I have never even commented on any of your posts or any of your viral video. So please, my brother, take down my posts, my photos and videos from your page with an immediate effect. I'm a very serious guy. I don't do those shit with you guys, okay? Yeah. My second home is Russia, where I'm holding her documents. And there is a need to defend it, and I'm here to defend it. As a proud Biafra. So please, friends, help me share this video so that it will get to Simon Ekpa. And for public notice and for reference purpose, don't allow yourself to be scammed or manipulated by any chance with my photo or my video. There are so many of my videos that are on Russian social media as a black guy fighting for Russia. So it's something that is not common. So my videos are going viral because here this is a modern war. Everything you are doing on the front line, drone copy you, video, helmet camera or body camera cover you, all those things. So there are lots of my videos on Russian sites. Probably that is where they got those videos from. And I don't want my video or my photo to be used as a means of manipulation for any kind. Do you understand me? I'm a proud Biafran, and I'm proud for who I am. I don't belong to your autopilots. I don't believe in your chain of operation, you know? So to me, it's a red line using my photo on such thing you do without my consent. So when you're Simon Odoy and the mother, there are so many Biafrans in American army. I can send to him. There are so many Biafrans in British army. So why would my own be different? So help share this video so that it might get to whom concerned. And don't allow yourself to be fooled. Okay? I don't know who Simon is. I don't know him. Since 3 days, I've been trying to get either his email or his WhatsApp or any channel because here I can't operate Twitter. I can only operate Facebook. So I can't reach him. And I have proof I have written to the Facebook, social media, and some people whom I have already written to get me his contact, but to me it's taking time. So I wake up this morning with a write-up that's got me pissed. That's why I'm doing this video. So Simon, or whatsoever you call your name, Prime Minister, I don't give a fuck about you, bro. Just don't use me for that shit. On a very, very serious note, brother. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't like it. Don't do it. So the ones you've done already, take it down. And public, don't be deceived, okay? We are Biafrans. Nobody will take away Biafran from us. Nobody. Anywhere, my child will identify as a Biafran. You understand? That is what I'm proud of. My father fought for this. Okay? So, and fuck you with your blood.
Welcome back. As you have watched that video, they say that the IPOB have issued everybody to know that come on 30th, they say that even cockroach they no want see for road. It don't read. I'm going to play the video for you to watch as well.
Biko o nwere ọkwa nchọrọ ịma now biko our GOC ekwugo ya before, but actually I'm repeat ya here because some of us na be so deaf that a ga-agwa ha okwu agaghị anọ, and many people ha nwere ike feel not just a normal thing. Biko on 30th everybody know ever zie nne gị na nna gị na ụmụnne gị, cousins, brother, whatsoever, zie ha that na achọghị ihu onye ọbụla n'iro. Ma ị na-apụta iro si ị na-aga church, ma ị na-apụta iro na ị na-aga ahịa, ma anywhere ị na-aga, achọghị inweta mmadụ n'iro. Onye abịakwa n'ebe a bịa baa akwa say that na ha gbagburu nne ya, ma ọ na-agbagburu nna ya, ma ọ na-agbagburu anybody related to you, abịakwa n'ebe a gị bechi anyị ntị, because 30th a ọ ga-adị very 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 tight more than before. Ịghọtago? Nwanne gị nọ na army, nwanne gị nọ na police, nwanne gị nọ na air force, ọ nọ na navy, whatsoever, ihe ọbụla ọ na-arụ n'azụ Chineke kpọrọ ọkụ, gwakwa ya now na that day na anyị ezuzupụtakwa na aside, na ya eyikwene that their useless clothes zuzupụta aside, because ị ga-abịakwa na platform aba akwa. So 30th of May districtly everybody ga-anọ ka echete ndị nwụrụ anwụ, ka echete ndị nna nna anya ha nwụrụ anwụ, ka echete ndị ESN nwụrụ anwụ, ka echete everybody now na struggle a na-alụ ọgụ maka struggle a nwụrụ anwụ. Then onye filizie na ichi ya wishi na abụọ nyanwa ma egene pụta and zikwere ha ozi na nke a bụrụkwa nke a bụrụkwa ihe Simeon Ekpa nke a wụ for directly from HOD IPOB, ọ bụrụkwa ihe Simeon Ekpa onye ori. So zie ha that all the strictly warned that onye ọbụla cross na aside. Ma na-apụta si chọrọ ịgaziri ihe na-eri Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ ma ha nweta gị n'ụzọ. Ma na-apụta nya mee ihe ahụ before that day, because that day onwekwe excuse ị ga-enye ma nweta gị n'ụzọ Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ dị ya. Excuse anyị ga-enye, jiri this period gaa mee ihe anyị chọrọ ime. Church ga jiri within this period gaa mee ya. Oru ha na on 29th night stroke 30th early morning enweta gị n'iro. You will understand na IPOB that they are not joking.
Please share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section. Let us know what you think for these two videos where we just bring come for your doorstep as it hot. Let's talk more about the 30th May. The 30th May is a day. A lot of people are asking what is going to happen on 30th. The 30th is a day which the Biafrans will more the people wait by for inside Biafra war, and current since the agitation hit up from Mozob to IPOB, they are going to more all the whole people wait by for inside the matter. So now the day where they set up aside to more those people, and that day they don't talk say make anybody not come outside as well. And let's talk about this Russia guy, which is a Biafran who are serving in Russia army. He has the right also to defend or to claim anywhere he belongs. So I don't see the reason why people are yabbing this guy. If the guy did not call Simon Ekpa, he says Simon Ekpa should stop using his name. So it's left for Simon Ekpa to stop using his name. He never read to him.